Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, trailer tow package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get the ability to hook things into our bed, which is pretty handy. Mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side. Blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is pretty handy for the cold winter months. License plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get floor mats, carpet interior, you've got under seat storage, so you lift up the whole bench seat, you got plenty of storage under there. Storage, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We do get power folding mirrors as well. Pretty handy. And we do get our lights and these cool looking vents on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.6 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer and lane centering. We got my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Cup holders, some storage here, and a nice little place to put your phone, USB and USB-C. Center console, tons of storage with a 12-volt. Got your basic climate controls at the bottom here, hazards, volume, little storage cubby here and below. And looking here, we got our climate controls at the bottom of the screen, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Suggested channels right here, but you can pick what channels you want on there. Got your vehicle settings, pretty straightforward. You have auto hold, off-road, vehicle settings, calm screen, and your backup camera where you can do a nice view of your tow hitch so you can easily guide it into place. Rear park sensing you can turn on or off. Oh, I just clicked into that thing. And our main thing, we got sketch, zone lighting, towing, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We're going to click into our navigation real quick. Pretty easy to use. Zoom in or out. Search, we got a 3D mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE68775, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.